স্মিতা টক্সলৈ আপোনালোকক পুনৰবাৰ স্বাগতম।
আজি আমি ছ'চিয়েল জিঅ'গ্ৰাফীৰ মিনিং, ডেফিনেশ্যন আৰু স্ক'প আৰু নেচাৰ ডিছকাছ কৰিম। গতিকে পলম নকৰাকৈ ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰোঁ বলক। মিনিং অফ ছ'চিয়েল জিঅ'গ্ৰাফী। Social geography mainly defined as the study of spatial structure of social phenomena in various forms and relation and understanding of the social process behind their occurrence across a wide range of human world. Social geography is a branch of human geography dealing with social activities. Social geography was developed in Germany by Otto Schulte as a reaction against physical determinism. Definition. W. Fitzgerald would try to define social geography in 1946, educated with almost whole of human geography. R. E. Fell in 1965 gave the definition of social geography as the study of the pattern and process in understanding socially defined population in a spatial. There were further attempts to define by geographers like Annie Bultiner in 1968, John Elish 1974 and Emery Jones 1975 in recent years. However, Greenfully said that social geography is concerned with the pattern of the attributes of population, religion, social customs and traditions, literature, age, sex structure, rural-urban composition, social organization and activities of people, as for example, economic, social, cultural, etc. The dominant themes and scope of the subject are: number 1, first, it is primarily concerned with space. Number 2, it searches for order, that is established pattern. Number 3, it tries to explain the patterns so established, that is to examine those processes that produce a particular pattern. Number 4, it's identifying social problem and their areal concentration and attempt to decrease the problems. তাৰ পিছত scope and nature include: social geography differs from human geography in that sense the former attempts to study the social aspect of people insofar as such aspects give character to space, but human geography includes all the dependent variables associated with the activities of human beings. Human geography emphasizes to study the society with relation to environment. On the other hand, social geography is a science of society with scant of spatial interpretation. It is difficult to differentiate social geography from cultural geography. However, we can say that while cultural geography deals mainly with the works of man, social geography is mainly concerned with men and their institutions like political organization, social organization, etc., structure like family plan, caste, etc., quality of life, age, sex structure in a particular or region. Social phenomena are obviously different in nature, such as race, ethnicity, caste, gender, household, and family structure, etc. The key area of social production in social geography are health, housing, educational sphere of social practices, social problems as poverty, hunger, crime, racism, discrimination, exploitation, inequality. Certainly, the scope of social geography will widen it. In every passing decade, we focus on new social concerns of ever-growing complex world and the use of new perspective theories and methods for their analysis. In the 1970s and 1980s, this subject enriched itself by incorporating such approaches as welfare, radical, etc., whereas social geography today is concerned with: number 1, the influence of space in given shape to social life. Number 2, influence of society on the occurrence of social, economic, and even some physical problems like deforestation, landslide, soil erosion, Finally, we may conclude that social geography main aim is to identifying the social phenomena of the earth's surface. Although social geography is mainly involved in the intensive study of social processes, its contents include such diverse topics as medical geography, religious geography, tribal geography, etc. গতিকে ইয়াতে আমাৰ ছ'চিয়েল জিঅ'গ্ৰাফীৰ মিনিং ডেফিনেশ্যন নেচাৰ আৰু স্ক'পখিনি ডিছকাছ কৰিলোঁ নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'ত মই ছ'চিয়েল জিঅ'গ্ৰাফীৰ এপ্ৰ'চখিনি লৈ আহিম
আশা থাকিলে যে ভিডিঅ'টি আপোনালোকক সহায় কৰিছে ভিডিঅ'টি ভাল লাগিলে লাইক শ্বেয়াৰ আৰু ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব স্মিতা টক্স ইউটিউব চেনেলক ধন্যবাদ